Hey, what's up guys? Dr. M3 here. We're at Blackout Tinting in Greensburg for rally preparation. Spade Rally 2019 is about to begin, and as many of you guys know, I've used a PPF, a paint protection film, on all my cars. In fact, the entire car is wrapped just to protect it. So we're here at Blackout Tinting to kind of get a refresh before I do this rally. So as you know, there are some high risk areas. The front end of a car, the rear view mirror, the rear quarter panel of the wheel arches are the areas that take the brunt of road debris, from rock chips to like major metallic pieces that just will destroy your car. Now, I like XPEL, this is not a commercial for them, because their products are really good. I've been using them for the better part of almost 10 years now. And so I've seen the film, which is self-healing, evolve. I mean, it can get rid of scratches. And frankly, the film is hard enough to take some of the typical rock chips that you would get. So the front end of the Performante has some of that. And if you remember, this is Viola Parsife. It's an ad personam paint. It's a pearl paint with 4 layers in it, and a $14,000 paint job. So, you know, if you get a rock chip in it, it's a bit of a problem. So I do PPFs on the entire car. We've covered the front end here. There are a couple of areas where I've got some rock chips that I'm gonna have my buddy Josh, who owns Blackout Tinting here, take care of this for us in time for Spade Rally. The other thing I'm going to do is paint protection film is essentially what's the equivalent of Ceramic Pro, but from XPEL. They have a new product called Fusion, which I'm going to apply on this car. So it's a hydrophobic compound that really makes, you've seen the films that I've done in the past where the water just beads off the car. And so that's what I'm going to be doing. The combination of the two will help protect this car, make it easier to wash. But I kind of want to show you some of the areas on the car where I've gotten nicks and I need to really refresh the PPF, and then we're going to fusion the entire car to make sure that it's protected, the paint's protected, and in fact the film itself is also protected, so bugs and stuff won't really stick to the car very much. So that's what today's video is about, really short and sweet, and I'm going to actually have Josh show you the process as they actually apply the new PPF and Fusion for your perusal. Hey, listen, I would highly recommend this stuff. So this is Josh from Blackout Tinting. He's the owner, and let's call him the guru. And he's sort of really taken care of my cars over the years now with XPEL. So XPEL has this new product, Fusion. So first of all, let me back up and say we just talked about what I'm going to be doing with the car, freshening it up for rally season. And probably after rally, we're going to have to come back and freshen up again. But tell us a little bit about this Fusion, because I've not used it on the car before, and you know, why and how it works with the PPF from XPEL.
Sure. So Fusion is a nano ceramic coating, or just a ceramic coating as people call it. Really popular in the detailing world now. Kind of starting to replace waxes, and basically the idea is it's a protective layer similar to a wax, but kind of on steroids. It's going to make it a lot easier to keep the car clean. It gives you a really insane gloss and depth to the paint. So even though this car looks incredible already because the film is really glossy, the ceramic coating is just going to bring out a little bit more of that. The coating is designed by XPEL, so it was made specifically to work with paint, but also with their film in mind. So it's designed around that.
So really, I mean, the whole point out of the PPF is really designed, what you're getting are two things, right? PPF is designed to really sort of protect the paint, yes, right? And ceramic coating is on top of that, because what that does is that it prevents things, road grime, from even sticking to it. So frankly, washing the car doesn't require really as much effort, you know, rubbing it, because the film itself can be scratched just like paint.
Yeah, absolutely. And we do a ton of full wraps and film with ceramic on top of it. And a lot of times the question that comes up is why it goes. And so that's why. The film is going to stop chips, ceramic will not stop chips, but it will make it easier to clean, stop staining in the environment.
Exactly. So the Aventador actually has both. And in fact, I just washed it the other day. And you know, this thing just needs to probably come back every year or so. You should come in and check it.
Yeah, we do like a yearly maintenance.
Yearly maintenance on it. So, but I was absolutely impressed because you can tell the difference if I watched it back to back.
Okay.
And you can tell the difference on the events. It was a sheet. I mean, it was just cheated off of the car, and then you can definitely tell the difference. So it'll be interesting to see the differences too. So here's some footage of Josh and his crew sort of getting the new PPF, refreshing the PPF on the front, and applying Fusion to Performante in time for Spade Rally 2019. We're excited. So thanks, Josh. I appreciate it, man.
Thank you as always.
All right, thanks. Hey, listen, I would highly recommend this stuff. XPEL just happens to be the product that I use. I swear by them. They've protected all my cars, the i8, all the Aventadors I've had, all the Performantes, all the actually Oricons, not Performantes that I've had, and I highly recommend the product. So let's just